are going to utilize both image generators using the same exact prompt, and we're going to see which one comes out the best. And I'm also going to go over. All right, so let's talk about it. Is the ChatGPT 4.0 paid version really worth it, or should we just use the free version of Bing AI to generate images? So in today's video, we are going to utilize both image generators using the same exact prompt, and we're going to see which one comes out the best. And I'm also going to go over the different features and different things that are available on both. Okay, so let's get into it. So as you can see here, this is generated in the ChatGPT DALL-E extension. So when you head over, when you go on and you sign up, you'll go to Explore GPTs. You will type in to search for DALL-E, and that is what you're going to use to actually generate your prompts. Obviously, I am in the paid version for ChatGPT, and we are going to see which one wins. Let me know in the comments below which one y'all like better. So here's the prompt. So I'm going to take this prompt, and I already have it geared up inside of here, the same exact prompt. And because I have this prompt, all I'm going to do is just type regenerate, just so you can see the speed on it, you know, everything of that nature of how long it takes. So it's going to go ahead and regenerate based off of the same exact prompt. And then I'm going to head over to Bing and see what Bing gives me as well. So not too bad. So a couple seconds it took, right, inside of ChatGPT. And I know that there is a limit on the free version. So you can generate images on a free version of ChatGPT, but I think you can only do like 2 a day. And the quality is just not great. So I will say that on the free version, which is why I have the paid version, and you could generate a lot of images inside of ChatGPT using the DALL-E extension. They say on the paid plan, I think it's like 40 images every 40 prompts, I should say, because it's not images you put in a prompt. And let's just say this is what a prompt is. So it's just you typing in text for what it is that you want. And they say it's like 40 every 3 hours. But sometimes when you're generating fast, it does cap out, meaning like if I'm just going super fast, which is what I tend to do all the time, it will cap out. Now, Bing, I'm going to take this same prompts. So as you can see, you see it here. So this came out pretty well. I like it a lot. This is a watercolor illustration. I'm gonna take this same one and I'm gonna put it inside of Bing. Now you could go on Google and search for Bing AI creator, and it's gonna pop up. They're gonna ask you to create an account. You're gonna create an account using your username, which is like a email account that you have with a password. You get 15 free credits, right, a day, and it says if you run out, it may take longer, right? So create images quickly with Boost. If you run out, images may take longer. So all I'm gonna do is paste this, and this is Bing, the Bing AI image creator, which is also using a iteration of DALL-E as well. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit create. So now we're gonna wait for this to create, and your designs will all show up here. So while your image is being created, they always give you like some type of prompt down here and different things like that. So this is what we have for Bing. So let me zoom in some so we can see. Oh no, let me open it up, because you can open it up to make it bigger. All right, so this is not bad either, right? So Bing, this is the different ones that we have, and you could download it here if you just hit this download button, and we'll look at the different ones. So they got the hands, right? Nice. They got the rollers, right? They have the festive look, and she's sitting on a couch, right? So this looks good. So I want to know in the comments below, which ones do y'all like? So this one here is giving yeah, like she's about to do her own pedicure. So eyebrows looking real good. The rollers, this is so good. So you have Bing, and then you have ChatGPT. So this here is the ChatGPT, and I'm gonna make this bigger as well. So this one, and you would do the same thing. You would download this. You would hit the download button, and then here is the one for it. So That's the two images here. She's sitting on the couch, right? You have the hands, you have her sitting here. Same thing here, right? The thumb is a little faded out on this one. As you can see, it's more visible. Yeah, Mike could get away with it because it's like, your hand could be blocking your thumb to where you can't see. But I'm very particular on what I'm looking at. But other than that, her facial features looks really good. It does have the Christmas festive designs. And that is what you have for both of them. Now, let's talk about the differences. So like I said, typically when you're doing prompting inside of ChatGPT using the DALL-E extension, it will give you two. So you could just go ahead and keep typing regenerate, and you could change the prompt up as well. So we'll do the same prompt again one more time for ChatGPT, and then we'll switch it out. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out the prompt just to see if we could get different variables of these prompts that we're using. So as you can see here, okay, not too bad. Still kind of the same. And I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm going back to Bing. And again, your recent images are going to be on the right hand side, as you can see where my mouse is over. And then we're going to hit create. We're going to hit create again. And we're going to see what they give us the second time around, because I want to know which one is winning. So let me know in the comments. Do you like ChatGPT generations or do you like Bing? And let's see what we got. So this one is Bing again. Okay. The hands are a little 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of blocking it, so we could probably get away with that. One that's kind of looks like a thumbnail. 2, 3. So I don't particularly like the hands. You have the feet underneath here. Her rollers are cut off. Her hands are messed up here. Don't like the toes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the toes is not right here. So the first set would be good, and again, you would just click download if you want to. But now we're going to change it up. So we're going to change the prompt up. So I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate and change it up. I'm just going to change the hairstyle just so, yeah, let me just change the hairstyle up. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to just change the hairstyle. All right, so that's it. So I'm just changing the hairstyle from rollers in her hair to now curly hair. All right, so we're going to let that generate. Now, keep in mind, when you're using ChatGPT, you can use this for commercial. And basically what commercial is on a paid version of ChatGPT, let me say, that means that you can actually utilize these designs and actually sell them, utilize these in different products that you're going to sell, versus Bing generator is typically free for personal use only. So if you are looking to make your own greeting cards for Christmas or different things like that you don't plan on selling, you could certainly use Bing images, and that is the biggest difference in reference to the generator. So both are looking to have pretty good iterations of images. They do generate slightly different. I do like the quality on ChatGPT paid version better, obviously, because it's just better facial features. They tend to get the prompts right as well. Look, Christmas is spelled correctly, so they're getting better and better with the prompt. So I'm going to now go ahead and delete this out. You just exit, and then I'm going to put in a new prompt as well for here. So this one I am going to, now we're doing the curly hair. So we're going to see which one comes out. So we're waiting for it to generate here. And again, if you want to be able to utilize these designs for personal use, certainly use Bing, because you can. So you see I have 12 credits left. So your credits reset. But look, she's sitting on the couch. She has some issues with her face. And this one is decent though, right? So we would get rid of this, which you can see in so many of my other videos. I show you how to get rid of these marks, or I like to call them extras, inside of pictures, utilizing Canva, of course. So you can certainly watch other videos for that. But this is pretty decent. So this isn't bad. So that's the main differences. So go ahead and generate those images inside of Bing and ChatGPT and tell me which ones you like and utilize this prompt or remix it. Tell me what you get and how your images come out and what you like better. I think the ChatGPT plan is about $20 something a month. It's well worth it for me because I can generate multiple times without having a cap, and I can also make money off of the illustrations as well. So if that is something that you're looking for, definitely recommend ChatGPT 4.0, the free version with the DALL-E extension. And also in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take these images and create different types of designs with them, whether it be greeting cards, ornaments, all different types of things. We're going to go over how you can actually utilize these to make some really cool digital items with this in the next video.